To pay with Apple Pay online, you will first need to set up Apple Pay on your device. This can be done by opening the Wallet app and following the prompts to add a credit or debit card. You will need to take a photo of your card or enter the card details manually, and then verify the card with your bank. Once you have set up Apple Pay, you can use it to make online payments on participating websites and apps. To do this, look for the Apple Pay button on the checkout page, which is usually marked with the Apple Pay logo. Click on this button to initiate the payment process. You will then be prompted to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on the security settings of your device. This is a secure way to verify your identity and ensure that only you can make payments with your device. After you have authenticated the payment, the transaction will be processed and you will receive a confirmation of the payment. You can also view the transaction details in the Wallet app, including the date, time, and amount of the payment, as well as the merchant's name and location. One of the benefits of using Apple Pay online is that you do not need to enter your card details or billing address, which can help to protect your personal and financial information from being compromised. Additionally, Apple Pay uses tokenization, which means that your actual card number is not stored on your device or shared with the merchant, making it a more secure way to pay. To use Apple Pay online, you will need a compatible device, such as an iPhone or iPad, and a participating bank or credit card issuer. You can check the Apple website for a list of participating banks and merchants. It is also a good idea to keep your device and Wallet app up to date to ensure that you have the latest security features and functionality. In summary, paying with Apple Pay online is a quick and secure way to make purchases on participating websites and apps. By following these steps and taking advantage of the security features of Apple Pay, you can protect your personal and financial information and enjoy a convenient and hassle-free payment experience.